It's been a while. Your girl been down and out with these headaches, but God willing they'll be perfect and resolve itself in a few weeks. So I'm back with an unboxing from WhatNot with a new seller. Her name is Kangthro. You guys know I'm gonna leave it either up here or down here, one or the other. And I loved what she sold. Like, oh my god. So she talks to, she's like, you know, having a virtual shopper. She's like a virtual shopper. She explains everything in detail to you before you make your purchase to make sure that you love what you're ordering, and I love that about her. So I was so obsessed with what I got from her that I went and I got, like, okay, let me do the unboxing first and then I'm gonna get to that. So I have 2 packages from her. The first one is this one that I've been waiting to open for the longest. So this is the first one. This is the first one. So, oh, look how she, okay, so look how she packages everything. I got 3 items, 1, 2, and 3. So she already gets 5 stars for packaging. So let's see what I got here. Let me put this here. So this was the first item I ever bought from her show. And I thought this was so cute. It's like a philosophy, you come closer. It's like a philosophy, what is it called? Vest. And I thought it was cute, new with tags. You guys know I love my new with tags. This I thought was so cute. Maybe I should try it on, right? And see. Oh, and it's a snap button. I'm lazy. I love a snap button. Okay. I'm pretty sure it probably doesn't go with this outfit, but I mean, she works. Woo. I mean, she works. She works. We could, I mean, what you guys think? I mean, not like you could answer me, right? But I think she works. She's cute. She's cutesy. Maybe if I had dark hair, like jet black hair, she would do it. But anyway, I love this. So this is item 1. Woo. Bloopers. I don't have a hanger excessively ready, so I'll put her right there. This is item 2. So I've been waiting for this one because I purchased, oh my god, look at this. Look at this beauty. Look how she's in the store. Look at this beauty. So this is Giuseppe de Morabito. But look, you guys know my fascination with feathers. So I got this to go with, have to do because I already got it. So I got, oh, can't get it together. So I got this to go with this. So I was hoping that these 2 match, which is going to. And yes, I'm gonna fit in it one day. And I bought these Bottegas. Okay, let me get the Bottegas. This is her, right? These, so I get the stuff before it comes because, you know, these outfits, and then just get them on the spot before even waiting to see if it matches, or wait till I get it to see if it matches. Like, I don't got time for that. It's gonna have to work. So this is the fit. You guys see? Do you guys see the vision? I hope you guys can see the vision. I hope you can see the vision. She's gonna have to give because she's already bought, so she's gonna have to work. Like, more feathers with the shoe. Like, I was trying to look for an orange shoe with feathers, but I was like, I don't want to be overkill with the feathers because you're not gonna even be able to see with this. But I also bought, just in case these Bottegas didn't match, I also bought these just in case. So I'm gonna play around with it and see which of the 2 is gonna go better. I'm gonna play around with it and see which of the 2 is gonna go better for that day and occasion. But this, I couldn't wait to do this unboxing just to open up this skirt and to see if everything matches, since I had already bought the stuff. So this is that one. This is my receipt from her. And last but not least, it's this baby, this skirt. So she says she purchased this from on WhatNot. It's a runway piece. It's from Tycoon, and I purchased this to go with her. To go with her, because I think she's a look. Hold on. I'm so mad because I just bought this from Saks of Ave full price, and then they went and they had it off for like $115 on sale for friends and family. I'm so pissed. But anyway, so I got this shirt to go with this Tycoon, and then I have the yellow Loewe glasses that's gonna match, and I bought these Bottegas. I bought these Burberrys, but they don't fit. So this was gonna be the whole outfit. It's gonna be that with this and that. You guys see that? Like, isn't that a look? Like, isn't that a look with the sleeves and the shoe? I think it was a look. I think it is a look. It's gonna be a look. It's gonna have to go together. I'm gonna have to figure out the shoe situation because these shoes do not match. I was thinking to do probably silver, probably like a silver shoe. I don't know. If I can't find these in my size, I was probably thinking to do like a silver shoe. We'll see. But this is that look that I was going for. Like, I just wanted a very Sarah Jessica Parker-ish look, and I think this is Sarah Jessica Parker-ish. So again, this is Tycoon. I got from Kangthro. I bought this shirt from Saks. It was like almost $400. And then these Burberry shoes, which is brand new, but they're not gonna fit. So I'm gonna resell them, and then I'm gonna try to find my size. I've been trying to look for my size, but I can't find it. So this is that. So this is the look. So her unboxing is by far the most special in terms of pieces that I got, because this, like, you know, this you can't really find, and it's different. Look at the material. It's different. This is actually on Revolve, I think. Full price, and I think I got this from her for about 75 bucks, so that's like a big discount. However, the top cost me like 400, 500, so I mean, it all offset the cost. But this is what I'm telling you guys about WhatNot. Like, WhatNot, you can find pieces from people who have the eye for that stuff, and it's just a phenomenal website. I got this one other dress. She was doing a show. This is the second show I saw, and mind you, she had, so when I do shows, she has rated me multiple times, which is such a blessing, because there's so many people on the app that's doing shows, and she could rate any of them, and she chose me. And for that, I feel I'm going to be always indebted to her, because that was like the sweetest thing anybody could do. And she's done it not once but twice. No, not once but multiple times. I'm sorry, she's done it multiple times. This I ordered from her after I ordered this order, and I thought this was a cute dress. You guys know how I love pink and coral and stuff. Is it gonna fit? God knows. I don't know. But it's for Love and Lemons, and I think it's so freaking cute. And I definitely have shoes to go with this. What size is she? She's a medium. Hopefully she fits. If she doesn't, I'll make her fit in the future. But I think she's so, look at that. Look how cute she is. Look at the detail in that. And then this is a bra. This is gonna fit my boobs, my little nubs. But so this is everything I got from Kangthro. I love her channel. I love her unboxing. I love her lives. She's so funny. She's hilarious. You can just sit there and watch her all day. I love how she packaged. So she gets 5 out of 5 for everything across the board. And these pieces that I scored is like 100 out of 5. So would I be shopping with her again? Absolutely. Do I recommend her? Absolutely. Would I be back shopping again? Absolutely. Like, this is it. Like, these pieces are hits. So you guys know what I'm gonna say. You guys know what I'm gonna say. So I want to thank you guys for liking, subscribing, watching, viewing, sharing. It means the world to me. It really does. It's really hard to get up here and talk to yourself. No one's talking back. It's really hard to get up here when you physically don't feel like you want to look the way you want to look. Like, I've been gaining weight and I hate it. So sometimes it's like, oh my god, I have all these clothes but nothing fits. So it's just a struggle. So for you guys to view and like and comment and just, you know, even a view, a share, it means everything, because it makes me want to continue to do what I'm doing. I love you guys. I hope everybody has a safe, amazing day. We will be back with another video tomorrow. Love you.